Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope you're all getting really excited for your weekend. I wanted to just quickly show you your quiz that you're going to take today and just bring your attention to a few things, and that way you can kind of let me know. If you have any questions, just email me, but this is the quiz. Make sure that you put your name in here. Look, you get 5 points just for entering your name. Isn't that amazing? First question asks you to think about what is the value of 10 to the third power. Look carefully at each answer choice and choose the one you think is correct. Next couple of questions just ask you to look at some different numbers that are written in expanded form. Eliminate the ones that are not right. Now, usually with multiple choice questions, there's going to be one answer choice that's like obviously wrong, definitely obviously wrong. And then there's going to be 2 or 3 answer choices that either represent a common misconception that students might have. Like one thing that I see a lot is when kids are writing a number in expanded form, they might only write part of it in expanded form. Like here we have 240 plus 5. So if a student picked this answer choice, that kind of shows me they are confused. Expanded form should separate hundreds, tens, and ones. So this is not correct because this answer choice is only separated into ones is pulled out, but the hundreds and tens are still together. Look carefully at each answer choice and kind of try to focus on the different parts and ask yourself in each answer choice, like, are the exponents correct? Do the exponents represent the correct value that we should be multiplying this number by? Are the commas in the right place? Are the parentheses written carefully and correctly? And does the answer even make sense? So remember, always look first for that one answer choice that is silly that you can eliminate right away. For numbers with decimal amounts, does this one have a decimal? No, that's a whole number. Okay, here's one with a decimal amount. I tried to keep these ones pretty simple because we haven't practiced decimals in expanded form a whole lot. We've done it this week, but you guys still need more practice with this before you're very, very confident in it. So again, this number, 4 and 2/10. Keep your place value chart handy with you while you're taking the quiz. If you're not sure how to read the number, put it in your place value chart. And then again, look for an answer choice that's obviously wrong, that makes no sense at all. And then also ask yourself which of these fraction forms correctly represents this decimal amount. Okay, this one should be pretty easy. Here's another one with a decimal, 469 and 3/10. I definitely recommend getting out that place value chart to do these. Whole number, this one has tenths and hundredths. So remember, when you're reading a decimal amount, the place value word that you say is determined by where your last digit is. So in this case, our last digit is in the hundredths place. So we would read this number 345 and 69 hundredths. However, the question asks you to focus not on the hundredths place, but on this place here. So don't get tripped up. Really focus in on the details. What is the question asking you to figure out? What is the value of the 5 in this number? So again, focus in on just this digit. What's the value of that digit? One mistake that I'm seeing a lot of kids make is they'll say what place value the digit is in, but not what the value of the digit is. This is a 5. So this number should have a value of 5 times its place value position. Okay. Now for these questions, you are going to have to type a sentence. So make sure that you answer the question and then justify your answer for number 11. When I say justify your answer, I mean explain how you know. Here you're going to write 569 and 2/10 in expanded form. Notice I have here, exponents are not required here. Exponents are not required. You can use exponents or you cannot use exponents. I will not take off points if you do not use exponents. If you want to use exponents, my suggestion is type your answer in a Google Doc where you can actually do the exponent notation and then copy and paste your answer into the form. Or do it directly into the form and leave the exponents out. I don't think it's easy to type exponents in a Google form, so that's why I said exponents not required. How should you write this number in expanded form? Exponents not required. How should you write this number? Exponents not required here either. Last but not least, what is the value of 10 to the 4th power? I tried to give you a nice easy one to finish with. When you're done, click submit. If you don't click this purple button, you're not going to get a score. Everyone, when you're done, you should get an email receipt that says that you responded to the form, and it will give you a copy of your responses. So make sure if you don't get that email, you haven't submitted it correctly. All right, guys, good luck. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.